Most people think Telegram is this super secure private messaging app, but is it really? There's a lot going on behind the scenes that most users never notice, and some of it might surprise you. So let's unpack what's really going on, what the biggest risks are, and how a VPN can quietly close most of the privacy gaps Telegram leaves open. And real quick, before we dive in, if you decide you want to tighten your privacy beyond just Telegram, there are a few VPN deals worth checking out. All of those links are down in the description, or you can just simply scan the QR code on screen to grab them. All right, so Telegram is relatively safe. It's true, it's not some shady platform. But there are a few things that make it far from bulletproof. For starters, Telegram only uses end-to-end encryption when you manually start what they call a secret chat. Everything else, your group messages, regular chats, even photos, are only encrypted between your device and Telegram's servers. That means Telegram technically can access that data, and if those servers were ever compromised, your conversations wouldn't be fully protected. Telegram also uses its own encryption system called MT-Proto. It's not open source, which means independent experts can't fully audit it. That doesn't automatically make it unsafe, but it does make it harder to verify just how secure it really is. Then there's metadata. Telegram stores your IP address, username, and message timestamps for up to 12 months. If you're ever concerned about your digital footprint, that's not exactly ideal. And the last big issue, scams. Because Telegram doesn't moderate content the same way apps like WhatsApp or Messenger do, it's become a hotspot for phishing bots, fake investment groups, and even crypto scams. I've seen some job offer bots that look completely legitimate until they start asking for personal details. So yeah, Telegram isn't dangerous on its own, but it definitely leaves a few windows open. That's where a VPN can really make a difference. A VPN encrypts all your internet traffic before it even reaches Telegram, and it hides your real IP address. So even if Telegram's own encryption isn't perfect, your connection stays private and your location hidden. Now, if you're wondering which VPN actually does this well, here's a quick rundown. NordVPN is probably the best all-rounder. It's fast, it's been independently audited, and it has a strict no-logs policy. Plus, it's based in Panama, a privacy-friendly country with no data sharing agreements. If you want to lock down Telegram and everything else you do online, Nord's a solid pick. You can grab 74% off plus 3 free months through the link below or by scanning that QR code. TotalVPN is great if you just want something simple and affordable. It's lightweight, works smoothly on mobile, and still uses strong AES 256 encryption. It's missing a few advanced tools, but for Telegram privacy, it's more than enough. And the current 80% off deal makes it a solid budget choice. Then there's Surfshark, which is perfect if you've got a lot of devices. You can connect unlimited ones at once, and it includes a clean web feature that blocks trackers and phishing links. Really useful for dodging sketchy Telegram URLs. Their current deal gets you 60% off plus 3 free months with the link or QR code. And finally, Norton VPN. It's ideal if you're already using other Norton security tools. It's fast, reliable, and fits nicely into their broader privacy suite. You can get up to $35 off with the link below or by scanning that QR code. So Telegram is safe enough if you take precautions, turn on two-factor authentication, use secret chats for sensitive conversations, and run a good VPN in the background. That combination makes Telegram solid in terms of privacy. If you want to grab one of the VPN deals I mentioned, the links are down in the description below, or you can just scan that QR code on screen. And I'm curious, do you still trust Telegram for private chats, or have you moved over to something like Signal or WhatsApp? Let me know what you think in the comments below.